calling all heavy equipment enthusiasts and 3D artists. Today we're unveiling something truly special. The Ford L9000 Tandem Axle Cement Mixer, a powerhouse model designed to elevate your construction visualization, game mods, and 3D projects to professional levels. With an optimized poly count of 333K, this beast balances stunning detail with smooth performance. But here's what makes it extraordinary. 6 distinct hood and headlight variations, neatly organized in separate Blender folders. Why? Because we've captured every era of this American workhorse, letting you choose the perfect look for your project. Heavy-duty engineering meets creative freedom. Front suspension, authentic Ford L9000 series system. Rear suspension, tandem configuration with rugged Hendrickson RT steel leaf springs built for maximum payloads. Special equipment, fully detailed Beck concrete mixer drum, assembly, animation-ready features, functional doors with proper empty parenting, independently modeled wheels with perfect X/Y axis alignment, steering wheel rig for realistic movement, industry-grade PBR materials. From the tire treads to the leather seats, every surface uses physically accurate textures. While we've kept them factory fresh, they're the perfect base for adding your own wear and tear. Why this model stands out: smart blender organization. All mesh is separated by materials for easy customization. Multiple applications. Construction visualization, perfect for architectural firms. Game mods: GTA 5, American Truck Simulator, SnowRunner. Construction equipment catalogs. 3D printing projects. Ready to work? This Ford L9000 cement mixer is available now on CG Trader, Render Hub, and Blender Market. Links in description. Which variant would you pair with urban construction scene? Let us know in the comments. If you appreciate premium 3D assets that combine historical accuracy with modern functionality, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. What other construction vehicles would you like to see modeled with this attention to detail? Let's build this community of 3D professionals and enthusiasts.